Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Justin here from Ocean State Outdoors, and we're going to do a little kayak and family fishing trip today with myself and Levi and my wife Jessica. Let's see what we can get into. Alright guys, so we're just going to do some exploring around today. I got a little Phoebe spinning behind me. I'm just trolling it around as we're putzing around up the river. I think I'm a little tangled up back there too. What? I really love fishing this river. It's like super clear. Like if I didn't know any better, I'd probably drink from here. Probably what? I'd probably drink this water. Yeah, if I didn't know any better. Oh guys, look at the geese going down the beach over there. You guys see the line of geese going down the beach?
Yeah.
Trying to get a good angle for you guys here. Trying out this new mount for my phone.
Yeah. Are you still filming?
I am right now.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
You got a spider on your leg?
Yeah, it's on my hand there.
What kind?
Little baby yellow sock.
I think Levi's got his first fish of the day.
Can I hold it?
Can you hold it?
Yeah.
Yes.
This buddy.
Careful with your hook.
I can't.
Oh no!
Aww.
Alright, so we pulled out real quick. We're having a little chicken nugget break.
Yeah.
My sister-in-law showed up with my nephews and we're kind of just hanging out for a minute.
Yeah.
So Levi and I wanted to take the time to thank you guys because we recently just made it to how many subscribers?
51 subscribers.
51 subscribers. So thank you guys very much. We appreciate you. You want to say hi? No. Anyway, we're going to get back on the water here in a minute. Just taking a break. Oh man, I had my camera facing the wrong way. The whole camera facing the whole way the wrong way the whole time. I had
your nipples?
Yeah, I had it looking at my nipples.
I'm gonna send you that B-roll I got.
Cute little guy. I said he was a cute little guy, and thank you. All right, guys, I'm back. We did a little crew change here. I got my brother-in-law Ethan. My wife and the kids went home. They're gonna go start a campfire for us, and maybe we can do a little catch and cook if we catch something to cook. So wish us luck.
Ivy, and then you got like little Hampton with the mask, and he has like the green sticks and the green stuff.
Yeah.
I can't remember his name.
Not Bane.
But he made a mask with his.
That's sweet, dude.
Yeah. That's like super cool.
No,
I was thinking more like trying to come up with like some prototype stuff. He made a couple air horns. You know what?
Oh, there was a big fish right there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You want to try this?
The air horns? Nah, it's all weeds. We're not gonna catch them in here.
You know, in the summer at work, like people hook up with like.
Yeah, the air horns.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he made a couple of those.
3D printing them?
Yeah.
No kidding.
They work perfect. Holy crap.
What?
That storm ripped it over.
Whoa. That is crazy. I wouldn't have even seen that if you didn't point it out.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna.
Yeah, I just did.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, this is real shallow. Oh, we're gonna get stuck. Oh yeah. We're gonna get stuck. Huh? Not yet. It's never this shallow. Ugh. There's a deeper channel over here. There's gotta be something. Something good over here. There's a lot of storm debris over here. Oh, I got a nibble. Oh, fish on. No. Yes. That's not what I'm looking for. He hit like a trout, dude. I thought I had something good on.
Catching anything? No.
Get out of my kayak. Get out of there. They're real, like, they want it real slow right now. I don't know what's going on.
It's like a bass. Oh, they're being lazy?
Yeah, they want it, like, in their face and real slow.
Is there bass in here?
Yeah. Not big ones, but there's bass. There are big trout in here, though.
Will they hit that?
Probably not. It is.
What about this little thing?
Yeah, that bird's got a fish in its mouth. Big hawk just flew by with a fish.
That one?
Yeah, no, a big hawk just flew by with a fish.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, they're in here then.
You hear him? Yeah, you hear him?
Is that the hawk
Yeah.
eating it?
That's funny, dude. You better at fishing than we are.
Yeah. Probably.
Yeah. Oh, fish on. Oh, no, 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 no. Get back here. Oh, he felt that hook. Dang, come on. Ethan, you got anything on?
Huh?
You got like a worm on or anything?
No, I don't. I can get one.
There's a trout right there. Oh, we got a fish on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you've got to be kidding me, dude. That is the third one now.
Seems like the spot is good.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, there's fish here. They're just not staying on the hook. On typical fashion, I forgot to turn my camera on. But we got ourselves some dinner tonight. I caught one and Ethan caught what? 2 of them?
My first trout. Bro.
Your first trout ever.
First trout ever.
That's awesome. And not only 1, but 2.
Yep. That is a good day.
Oh, he's all right. I got to take care of this guy. He's gonna knock me out. So you know what's funny is we were joking around about these worms earlier. I guess they're garlic flavored worms. We're like, who the hell uses garlic flavored worms? But Ethan just caught like 4 perch in a row. That's what we caught the trout on. No more goofing on the garlic worms. That's the move.
Oh yeah.
Yo, are you guys seeing this?
I've never seen one that close.
Muskrat or beaver? I can't tell. Come here, Bubba.
Honestly, it looks like a fucking otter.
Nah, he's too thick. Do you? What do you got? That's the same perch. I'm trying to keep this still for you guys. Oh, that's a beaver. Oh, that was so cool. All right, guys, we're back. We're gonna do a little catch and cook, and I just so happened to find this thing at CBS the other day. I thought it was kind of cool. It's like a one-time use grill. We're gonna put this thing together and cook up those trout that we caught earlier. All right, we're gonna cook this nice and easy. A little salt, pepper, garlic, inside, outside. And then we're gonna stuff his little belly with some butter and a couple slices of lemon. I'll wrap him up. Ooh, that's hot. His tail's hanging out, but it'll probably cook anyway. Alright. I'm gonna rate this little grill probably a 3 out of 10.
It was probably user error.
Yeah, it probably was user error. Probably should have used a torch or a lighter instead of a torch. A big reveal.